I have seen over my lifetime a big change in farming. I really have no idea where we're going to be in the next 20 years. My name's John Duncan. I farm about 3,500 acres of corn and soybeans. I'm also in partnership with my father, James Duncan. I'm a fourth generation farmer, raising the fifth generation. We're in northeastern North Carolina in Currituck County. We farm about 1,500 acres of corn a year. We have about 2,000 acres of soybeans a year. We've already started the prepping. That's what the Major Cyclone mower is doing right now for the next spring. We're cutting these stalks with it. What drew me to the mower is the efficiency of running the mower and how good of a job the mower done versus a flail mower. Now, my flail mower was 24 foot wide, so therefore we were mowing 10 rows. We've actually picked up, now we're mowing 12 rows at a time. But as you can see right here, there's the horsepower that's being used on this tractor right now. It's going to be at least a third more in horsepower for a flail mower. The mower has benefited me a lot over the years, over the 4 years that I've owned one of them, as far as getting things done in a timely manner. I would put the savings is somewhere between $3,000 to $6,000 per year. I love the blades of it because it does mulch it up very well. As we're harvesting corn, our tires will lean a stalk over. If the blades do not cut it completely in two, the roller will crush it where it breaks it down even more. And I get more wear out of a Major Cyclone mower than I would ever get out of a flail mower. On a set of blades, we normally average about 3,500 acres. The flail mower, we were getting about 1,500 at best. It's one of the best built mowers on the market today, if you ask me. We tend a lot of 50-acre blocks. The block we're on today is a 32-acre block. We're actually moving to my biggest block that I have, which is about 190 acres of corn in one place. With the flail mower, it would take me 20 minutes to fold it around to transport it. With this mower here, within 5 minutes, I'm ready for transport down the highway. I've farmed my entire life. As a 5-year-old, I asked my mama why I had to go to school, that my daddy could teach me everything that I needed to know in life. It's just bred into me to farm. I love working with good people. They're a great company. I know they're based in Ireland, but I feel like they're my neighbor. I like having people like them on our team.